Hey guys, thanks for dropping by. I want to show you this amazing air duster that I just got. Here's some features I want to share with you. First of all, it has 4 speeds: low, normal, high, and turbo. It's also cordless and has a built-in rechargeable battery. At the lowest setting, it will run up to 90 minutes. At the turbo setting, it will last 12 minutes. It's great for removing dust, water, leaves, as well as pet hair. Let's unbox it so I can show what's included with the package. The instruction manual was well written and easy to understand. There's a lot of illustrations that show you how to use this product. Take some time to read it. It also comes with this carrying case as well as 2 cleaning brushes. They come in handy if you're detailing your car. It also comes with a long USB-C charging cord. However, they didn't include a wall plug. The electronic air duster is made of plastic. However, it is well built and durable. In total, you get 5 different head attachments. Each one serves a different purpose. Here's an important note. On the fine tip attachment, that one is great for cleaning tight spots such as your keyboard or tight crevices. However, you shouldn't use the turbo mode when you're using this attachment. You will damage the motor since the hole is so small. Another great feature that makes this air duster different than others is that it has a built-in flashlight. This is great if you're working in the dark or in low light situations. The heads can be detached by twisting it to the side. I'll be honest, some of the heads took me a while to detach. You may want to have some rubber bands, rag or towel nearby if you're having trouble removing the head. Another thing that I really like about the air duster is that it produces a constant flow. It doesn't fluctuate like the cheaper air dusters. It has a trigger on-off button in the front. There's these 4 LED lights that tell you how much battery is remaining. The third button on the back is to turn on the flashlight. When it's running in the turbo mode, the air duster is pretty loud. So make sure that it's not near your ears. It's also important to note that if you have long hair, keep it away from the end of the air duster. Let me demonstrate how powerful this device is. Today I'm going to be cleaning my air purifier. I'm going to clean off the 3 different filter layers. Notice how quickly and easily the dust blows off. Within a few seconds, all the dust is gone. Same thing with this thick charcoal layer. The air duster easily blows through it. In a few seconds, it's going to almost look like new. The HEPA filter is probably the hardest one to clean. However, with this air duster, it blows all the dust away. This electric air duster easily pays for itself. In the past, I would have to buy a lot of compressed air. However, with this electric air duster, all I have to do is just plug it into the outlet.